So we made it to the garage. Now, it wasn't easy. Since this vehicle has been sitting for quite a while, there's a bit of issues that we definitely need to address. Just to get it back to our facility, we did have to make a stop at one of our local NAPA Auto Care centers, and they were nice enough to help us out with some basic things like fluid changes, just so that we could make it all the way back to our shop. Now we're gonna go through a full diagnostic to see what else is wrong with these vehicles so we can get started on the project. As we inspected Dusty, it became painfully clear that all of the fluids need to be flushed out and replaced. Brake fluid should not look like beef stew. Our friendly NAPA Auto Care technician, Jason, checked the oil on Dusty, and suffice to say, it's well past its recommended mileage and needs to be changed. When we checked the coolant reservoir tank, we noticed something was, well, missing. Mostly the coolant. Clearly that needs to change and get a top off. Batteries should also not rock back and forth in their housing, so we're going to have to swap out the battery tray along with the battery while we're at it. With the engine inspection done, it's time to put Dusty up on the lift and see the state of the undercarriage. While it's been protected from some of the exposure to the elements, years of dirt and grime have built up covering just about everything. Dusty is really living up to its name. With Dusty on the lift, a quick and easy repair we can do here is changing the oil and oil filter with our top-of-the-line NAPA Gold filter. Now that we've arrived at our garage, it's time for our ASE Master Techs to give Dusty a full diagnostic so we can see a comprehensive list of everything we'll need to address. One thing we discovered under the hood were some of the vacuum lines were cracked and broken, which could be a contributor to our rough running issues, and it needs to be addressed. Now that we've run a full diagnostic on old Dusty here with our ASE certified master technicians, we have a laundry list of items that we need to pick up from our local NAPA Auto Parts store. Make sure you follow along as Dusty gets its full makeover.